Back on the VOLKSROTTON ghia. Just want to start chopping a bit of the floor out. Just slowly get back into this ghia. Well, and all the VWs, to be honest. See if we can make a noise. Make some progress. Getting into the bloody places. Boom. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. Have a ghia time. Well, I've got to keep cutting the floor. So I've got new floor pans to go in. I need to save this seat bracket because the new panels don't have them. I have got a special tool I got sent by my sponsor, so I think I may have to dig that out because it's hard to get in there with the angle grinder. But even, I said it before, even cutting the rust out, you notice it's not too daunting because I'm used to the rust on these V-dubs, as you know. I'll start chipping away and bring you back. At least I'm on it. Alright, cut off the brake pipe and wow, what a smell. I haven't been on the road for over 30 years and you can tell that by that smell. Right, they're off. I've got all new brake lines to go in, new ones, which is cool. Right, let's have a look at the seats. Seat runners, the seat bases. Now they're spot welded. A little bit of rust there. Cool. Cool. Along the back. Cool, so I'll strip that down. I've got to take this seatbelt mount bolt off, or just cut it. I need that bracket. That's the first little bit there. Floor pan comes to here. So I'm gonna have to grind this back to get the single layer there. God, I got good metal. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the rest of the floor now. And that little back bit. And there, start thinking about what's next. The channel I've got to do at the bottom. I did bring on the door last week. Still fits on well, don't need bracing because this is actually rock solid. I've done that in a previous video. Yosh. Don't scare me, shouldn't scare you. This car is being saved and it's going to be cool as hell. Slammed, no old beam. Just look at the look. I'm getting excited again now. I've been on this one for about six weeks, I think, the last video. Let's go. I think that'll do it for the day. Now what I noticed when I just cut the passenger floor out, there's a plate underneath. I don't know if they've done it for support, but I haven't looked yet. Yeah, they've come right across. It's covering the frame head then, so let's see about that. But it is solid. That bit's solid, so may see if I can get up on the lift and clean that up. Still more of the floor to come off. I have got a heater channel out the unit, I think. Oh God, dusty. Excuse me. So here's the rest of the metal. I'll bring you back when I've cleaned up, but I am not refitting these things. Water trap, awful design, jacking point. Vw Karmann bay windows. Yeah, no one uses them anyway. So yeah, I'll just have a quick clean up. Bring you back. Right, that's all that cleaned up. But you can see what I mean. Once the floors are cut out, wow, he's solid. Rock and roll, innit, Coco? I'll tell you what, they're not wrong. Once them floors are in, we build a heater channel on this side. I've started with the worst side, so that's good. Build the inner sills. I've made my own inner sill panels. But yeah, wow, I'm just looking at this now. I'm thinking, pat on the back, Coco. It's like, what comes first? Chicken or the egg? No, what comes first? Karmann done and on the road, or my driving license. Alright, gonna be the gear this rate. Lost for license in December. I did do a video update. Heard bagger or local MP. Contacted the doctors 2 weeks ago and they've heard nothing. So our NHS is there. Shocking. Writing a complaint and the MP's doing the letter up, so he's trying to help. But yeah, back to the gear. I'm happy with that. Yeah, the floor still needs cutting at the front there. Look, trimming. Will that be rubbed down? I think the floor's got to be put in, then the sills. Crikey. I'll be getting at this one now. Finish the orange bug over there. He's welded up. Just gotta put the running boards on. So that's a good show. Concentrate on the gear. Tomorrow I'll be at the unit working on the square back. That's another one. I won't be cutting out that side yet until this side's done. I think that makes sense. Front wing's all good. I've got all the panels. I've got the outer sails. Rustiest UK gear. Yeah, right hand drive. But I tell you what, just, yeah, love it. Breakdown, just run like hell. The gear on your back. Right, with that, if you haven't already, please subscribe, give us a like. And if you want to help out, I ain't got a clue what Patreon is, I'll just hear it on the channels. Thank Joe Souza for my coffee a couple of weeks ago. So that's buymeacoffee.com. Amazon wish list if you want to help out. So I'm going to need some discs in mass in a minute. But that parcel shelf's all good. Look, rear package tray, excellent. Oh, the granddaughter. Happy days with that. Thanks very much. Really appreciate it.